Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. It's called Hands-on IT because I will try to focus on doing stuff on the screen rather than talking about it. This is the first video in the series of 100 videos. I will try to cover Windows, domain, virtualization, and specifically Hyper-V, anything you have to deal with when you work in networking. First step we're going to have to do is to configure the platform, which is Hyper-V. For this exercise, I'm using laptop LENOVO X1 Carbon with Windows 11 with 32 gigs and Core i7 processor. Okay, so the first step is to configure Hyper-V to enable the feature. So click on Start, type Hyper, click on the feature, and we're gonna have to select Hyper-V, but let's just select Hyper-V platform. We're gonna worry about the tools later. So first, let's see if we can install just the platform part. So select Hyper-V platform, click OK, and let's see what happens. From time to time, I'm gonna make a mistake on purpose just to show you what happens and how to fix it. Okay, so let's just wait until it's installed. It didn't. Let's go back and select the entire feature, including the tools. Okay, same thing, Hyper, click on the feature, highlight Hyper-V, which is going to highlight both parts, the tools and the platform. All right, that worked. Okay, now let's focus on Hyper-V configuration. So just reboot the machine and let's continue. Okay, we install Hyper-V feature. Let's open it. Two things you're going to have to install. First is you should separate virtual disk files from virtual machine files in case you want to back it up or you want to share it, whatever. The easiest thing to do is just to create a new folder. In my case, I'm creating VMS, which is virtual machines, and inside I will have two subfolders, one for the disks and one for the virtual machines. And the second thing you're going to have to configure, which we will configure in the next exercise when we build a Windows server, virtual server, we will set up the virtual switch. I'm going to explain that next time. But for now, let's just focus on making sure your path is updated. You have those folders, one for disks, one for virtual machines. Update your Hyper-V with the new path for each, and then you're ready for the next exercise. Okay, that's it. We're ready to build our first virtual machine. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.